Hello guys, this is the Game Master back, and today I'm with the Hedgehoginator and the dumbest guy on the earth, DM Gaming.
Oh, that's the Master, I see.
Lol. So guys, today I'm just saying Happy New Year everybody, and Merry Christmas,
Right.
and yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So,
What was that?
The Hedgehoginator.
I've posted. Oh, would you guys let me speak? Like, I know you guys have posted after like a while, but I don't know why. I just didn't want. Yeah, basically, I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy.
Oh, KFC.
I'm not that lazy like you.
Oh,
I'm not that lazy like you.
This is a kind of
DM.
Oh, we
Oh
won,
my
so yeah. We won. Oh
Literally,
man. That makes no sense.
innit? Like, that's just begging.
Genuinely, man, your life doesn't make any sense.
You don't make any sense.
Oh man, this is hilarious.
Yeah.
It's hilarious. Also, like, when you get your money.
Ooh, man,
Why
like
would you do
doing
that?
You just
gaming.
got roasted.
How did I get roasted?
It was aimed at you.
It's intermission.
Oh, hell.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Just cut this part out. Cut the intermission out.
Yeah, I am.
Seriously.
Suck it. I think you have to go.
Yeah, you do.
I'm not.
Wow.
So man. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yes!
Suck it.
We're playing on Ravod 911.
Yeah,
Remember?
we're back on Final Forces. Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy New Year 2017.
You're a bit late.
It's
That was
the
the basic
6th of January.
So you're 10 days late.
How's that 10 days late?
Because Christmas was 10 days ago.
No, but I'm saying Happy New Year, not.
You just said Merry Christmas.
I said Happy New Year.
Alright, I'm grenading your mum.
I really want to say something, but I don't want to.
Say
You have
it.
the same mum.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's what I wanted to say.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. D-Master.
Hey, we got killed by D-Master. Wait.
Oh, yay. Oh, shit.
I ran through the shop.
D-Master and 16 Pick is not on my team. What a great,
Congratulations.
what a great pleasure.
Please no.
I disagree with that statement. That was just.
Shut up.
That was just stated.
Yeah.
Oh, I did a knife. I almost knifed the guy in the head.
How can you knife a guy in the head?
You jump at them and then you knife. And
16 Pick, don't get up. Oh, you stick 16 prick.
Ray.
The one with the big dick.
The man with the big dick. Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Man like DM Gaming.
Is that having a big dick good?
I
Oh,
assume
pick
it is.
Oh, okay
Dave,
then.
how do you know? Have you been up there?
His
That
mum
makes
told me.
sense.
Eh, how does his mum know? Dick, I killed you. Dick, I killed you.
Oh, then you got killed.
Yeah, but like, I was too excited.
That's weird.
We are the
Who's really-
professionals.
Look, I found 16 Pick stick. The tanker.
What?
Look. I'm gonna lay on it. See guys, I'm laying on 16 Pick stick.
That's brilliant. That's absolutely
It's
fantastic.
For some reason, I don't know how
Fantastic.
this feeling.
That's
Allahu
fantastic.
Akbar then.
My mum got denomatized.
You can't even say the word, man. You can't even
Yeah, it's denomatized.
First gonna have
Shut up. I wasn't on my computer on Happy New Year or the 5 days after, so I had to do it today. What is he
I'm not
doing
how you
today?
already said that, and I get the video still continues.
I think someone else is recording right now as well.
Yeah, who?
Oh, now.
Whoever that is, yeah, our channel is better than yours, because we're Saturday.
Yeah, please guys check out DM Gaming. Please don't just subscribe my channel, cause his channel is shit.
Is it?
Yeah, please check out the Hedgehoginator.
Okay.
That's basically 16 pick. That's just talking with me.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck you.
Oh.
There's so many D-girls here, man.
Dick headshot bonus pick. Oh fuck. I got killed by rank 3.
That was hilarious, brilliant.
No one live out loud.
What?
Seriously, you won't understand. Wait,
You know
Ooh.
what, Dave? DFO.
exactly.
Oh.
D-Master, fuck off.
Oi, man, right.
Oh, you 16 pick dick. So guys, I'm gonna end it there. Cause
No.
this bloody DM Gaming is not gonna like do anything. So thank you guys for watching. Again, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.